In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a subscription in Zoho. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to the official Zoho website. Zoho provides a wide range of cloud software solutions for businesses, so make sure you're on their main page. Once you're there, you'll easily spot the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Sign In and enter your account details to log in. It's essential that you have your credentials handy because you'll need them to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Zoho homepage. Here you can access the various applications and services that Zoho offers. The homepage is your main hub, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't done so already. Now locate the CRM link on the page. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's one of Zoho's key offerings. Click on CRM. This will take you to the dashboard where you can manage different aspects of your account. On the CRM dashboard, you need to find your profile. This is typically located in the settings or account section of the CRM. So click on it to view and manage your subscription details. Your profile holds all the key information about your services with Zoho. Once you're in your profile, look for the upgrade option. While this might sound counterintuitive since we're looking to cancel and not upgrade, selecting this option will allow you to see a list of all your current plans. Click on Upgrade to proceed to the next step. After clicking Upgrade, you will see an overview of the plans and services you are currently subscribed to. Here, you have to select the existing plan that you wish to cancel. Carefully review this list to ensure you're selecting the correct service, especially if you have multiple subscriptions with Zoho. After you've selected the plan you wish to cancel, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. Zoho may prompt you to confirm your action, and they might even ask for feedback or give you offers to keep your subscription active. Make sure to confirm your cancellation and check for any follow-up emails from Zoho that confirm the cancellation of your subscription. And that's it, you've successfully cancelled your Zoho subscription. Remember, it's always a good idea to double check that you've received confirmation of the cancellation to avoid any future billing issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be glad to help.